Hello, my name is Megan Renee, and I am a doctoral student at Aspen University, and this video has been created to address social power and its related concepts. This video aims to address the different types of social powers, the dominant type of social power found in one's organization, and lastly we will discuss the alpha dog concept and its relation to organizations. According to Cthulhu, there are 5 main types of social power. These can be used in combination or in isolation depending on the leader. The 5 types are as follows: legitimate, coercive, reward, expert, and referent. Each type of social power defines a different aspect of authority. On the next slide, we will dive into the definitions of each power. Legitimate power is a social power that stems from a position of authority. A prime example is an officer. Their position entails authority as it is their job to uphold the laws and enforce them. Coercive power is the ability or the authority to punish. This could include positions such as judiciary careers, principals, or even teachers that enforce the rules within their classrooms. Reward power is the ability to provide or take away desired things from an individual. A prime example is a parent. A parent would possess high levels of reward power when parenting their child. This can be a result of a reward or a punishment. Expert power is the ability to influence individuals through sharing of knowledge, information, or expertise. A common example of this type of power could be demonstrated in professions such as the medical field. Lastly, referent power is the ability to influence others with personal acceptance or charisma. This type of power made one think of sales associates and their ability to communicate and influence their customers. Next, we will discuss social power in the context of career paths and organizations. My career path is in the field of athletic training. An athletic trainer is a highly qualified, multi-skilled healthcare professional who renders service or treatment under the direction of or in collaboration with a physician in accordance with their education, training, and state statutes. The 2 main types of social power displayed in my organization are legitimate and expert. As previously stated, legitimate power is power that stems from a position of authority. This authority can relate to the doctor's decision-making and an AT's standing with that supervising physician. Expert power would be the more dominant power out of the 2 listed. Athletic trainers are well versed in sports medicine, anatomy, and treatment of injuries, making them an expert in said material. This allows them to make informed decisions and educated decisions when handling injuries and conducting return to play. This expertise also aids in explaining injuries to athletes, coaches, and parents, as well as ensuring all parties are on the same page. Leadership behaviors that contribute to these social powers include organization, communication, advocacy, influencing, and instigating change, as reported by Kutz. The last topic we will discuss is the alpha dog concept. According to Cthulhu, an alpha dog is a leader with positional power who demonstrates behaviors that create energy and drive results. Common leadership positions for alpha dogs include senior management, CEOs, and presidents of organizations. Many C-level leaders possess the first 3 social powers previously mentioned, which are legitimate, coercive, and reward power. However, those who identify as alpha dogs often possess expert power as well as the potential for referent power. While an alpha-dog complex can be beneficial to many organizations, other authors and research have found that these types of concepts can be detrimental. It is important to view both sides of the coin. Research has indicated that an alpha-dog concept within an organization can drive insider status assumptions, workplace incivility, and possibly affect workplace engagement. Insider status assumptions are assumptions that are made within the company of one's standing. This can be affected by an alpha-dog complex, as one may be seen as less than another. Workplace incivility may sprout as a result of an alpha-dog complex, as this person may speak up more than others and other employees may feel outshined or overpowered by that individual. And lastly, workplace engagement can be influenced due to the energy or the results-driven concept provoked by the alpha dog. While high energy and results are beneficial, it is important that leaders use their power when appropriate and still value and respect other employees and individuals within the organization.